How to fix the issue with Walmart application not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Walmart application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, remove all the recently tabs in your mobile device. Then after, restart your Walmart application. Now, the second method is to navigate to the settings of your mobile device and go to all apps section. Then after, you need to choose the option of Walmart. There, in the Walmart setting, you see the option of force stop. Simply click on it. After that, open the Walmart application and in the menu bar at the left corner, simply choose the option of sign out and again log in into your account. Last but not the least, simply update the Walmart application. And by following these easy steps, you will be able to fix the issue with Walmart application. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.